Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 1969 10 pence coin is an early decimal coinage issue struck for circulation in the United Kingdom as part of the move to decimalization introduced officially in 1971, and is commonly called the 10 new pence. It retained the same physical size and many design cues as the older florin 2-shilling coin and was issued in the larger, old, size that remained in circulation until the smaller 10p was introduced in 1992. The coin's obverse shows the second, young, crowned portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right and wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. With the legend Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1969, this portrait was designed by Arnold Machin and is characteristic of late 1960s British decimal issues. The reverse carries the crowned lion passant, a traditional heraldic motif representing England designed by the engraver Christopher Ironside. The motif is bold and classical, reflecting the transitional aesthetic between pre-decimal and decimal coinage. Technically, the 1969 10p was struck in cupronickel, commonly quoted as 75% copper, 25% nickel, with an issued mass of about 11.31 grams and a diameter of 28.5 mm, thickness approximately equals 2.25 minus 2.3 mm, and a reeded, milled edge. These dimensions match the original larger 10p florin specification used from 1968 until the redesign in 1992. Mintage in 1969 was very large, hundreds of millions, because the Royal Mint was supplying new decimal denominations ahead of 1971. Sources record a mintage figure in the order of approximately 314 million 10p coins for 1969, which helps explain why circulated examples of this date are common. In circulation, the 1969 10 pence behaved much like modern small change and is not rare in typical circulated grades. Its collector value depends heavily on condition. Worn, circulated pieces are usually worth only modestly above face, a few dollars, pounds, while uncirculated or specially struck examples, proofs or mint state with attractive surfaces, can command higher premiums from collectors, dealers, and auction results. Interesting collecting notes. Because the 10p remained the same size as the florin, many older florins and early large 10p coins were interchangeable in vending machines and tills until the smaller 1992 type and later withdrawal of old florins and large 10p coins in the early 1990s. Also, beware of cleaning or heavy wear, which greatly reduce numismatic value, and check edge and date details, strike strength, when grading. For high-value grading, attribution or sale, it's best to consult a reputable dealer or a professional grader. The 1969 10 pence coin marks an important period in British monetary history, bridging the gap between the old pre-decimal system and the new decimal coinage that officially began in 1971. Before decimalization, British currency was based on pounds, shillings, and pence, a system that had existed for centuries. In 1968, the Royal Mint began releasing new decimal coins into circulation to help the public adjust to the upcoming change, and the 10 pence coin was one of the first of these. The 10 new pence coin, issued in 1969, was identical in size, weight, and metal composition to the old florin 2 shillings, which was equal in value to 10 pence after decimalization. This clever approach helped ease the transition by allowing both coins to circulate together until the early 1990s. The obverse of the 1969 coin displays the elegant second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by the British sculptor Arnold Machin, showing Her Majesty wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. This portrait replaced the earlier youthful effigy by Mary Gillick and remained in use on coins for over 2 decades. The inscription around the portrait, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 1969, translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith, reflecting Britain's long royal and religious traditions. On the reverse, the coin features a lion passant guardant crowned, a powerful heraldic symbol representing England's strength and authority. This design, created by Christopher Ironside, was part of his winning entry in a national competition to design the new decimal coins. The crowned lion was chosen for the 10 pence piece because it connected Britain's new money to its royal and historical identity, appearing strong, noble, and unmistakably British. The 1969 10 pence coin was struck in cupronickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel, had a diameter of 28.5 mm, a weight of 11.31 grams, and a milled edge. It was produced in large quantities, over 300 million pieces, at the Royal Mint in Llantrisant, South Wales, which had recently become the main production site for Britain's coins. Because of this high mintage, most 1969 10p coins are common in circulation today, though uncirculated and proof examples remain popular among collectors for their beauty and historical value. The large-size 10p coins like the 1969 issue remained legal tender until 1992, when the Royal Mint introduced a smaller, lighter 10p coin better suited to modern use. After that, the old large 10p coins were gradually withdrawn from circulation, making them nostalgic reminders of the early days of Britain's decimal era. Collectors today value them not only for their metallic composition and design but also as historical pieces symbolizing Britain's great monetary transformation from the age of shillings and florins to the decimal system used today.